Humans have been cleaning since the beginning of time. As time went on, humans developed new tools to clean. Although times have changed, cleaning has more or less stayed the same. Why is that? Is there a better way? There are many cleaning chemicals to choose from. Or is it a matter of obtaining better tools? The answer is we need better chemistry. Ultra Chem Labs strives to improve yours and your clients' quality of life through electrolytic cleaning technology. What is ECT? ECT is a proprietary chemical technology used to address the positive and negative ionic charges in the surface to clean more safely and efficiently. On a new surface, the ionic charges are naturally neutral. That is why when a new shirt, towel, carpet, or stainless steel surface gets dirty, it is relatively easy to clean it. But over time, cleaning with conventional chemicals causes the ionic charge of the surfaces to be disrupted and imbalanced, resulting in a surface that becomes harder to clean when using the same chemicals and methods. In response, cleaners will increase chemical dilutions, temperatures, and abrasion, resulting in damaged surfaces and tens of thousands of dollars wasted in replacement cost. Floors, carpets, and fixtures designed to last 25 to 30 years are being replaced in as little as 5 years due to conventional cleaning and maintenance procedures. To break this conventional cleaning cycle, instead of addressing the soil type, ECT functions by rebalancing the ionic charge of the surface to restore it back to the way it was when it was new. When the surface is neutral, soils have nowhere to stick and are easily removed like that of a new surface. How does ECT improve quality of your life? ECT helps you save on time and money. It eliminates the amount of harmful chemicals in your home or office and completely takes the guessing work out of cleaning. Follow us to see how electrolytic cleaning technology can work for you.